Today we're going to be doing lesson 6.10, which is analyzing angle additives without an angle measure or protractor. And the reason we're doing this today is because sometimes we do not have a tool to help us. So if we do not have a protractor, then we are going to be able to figure out our angle measure without using any of those tools. So no tools, no problem. We're going to build on what we already know about different angles. So first we're going to look up here that we have 3 different angles drawn. We have angle D, E, G. And if we take a look at angle DEG, we can see right here that based on what we know, that this is a 90-degree angle or a right angle. We can also see up here that we have angle DEF. And right now, that is going to be our unknown angle. We also have another angle, which is FEG. And angle FEG, we're going to find, is actually going to be 15 degrees. So this is going to be one that we are given on here. So what we need to do is use what we already know about our right angle and our given angle to help us to determine what our unknown angle of DEF is. So we are going to take the fact that we know 90 degrees is our right angle, and we know that FEG is 15 degrees. So we are going to subtract those two to see what we have remaining, and we are going to discover that angle DEF is going to be 75 degrees. So we can use subtraction to help us find our unknown angle measurement of angle DEF being 75 degrees. We're going to look at another example that shows us when we don't have a right angle, but we have another known angle. We're going to look at this angle measurement up here of STX. And if we look at angle STX, we can see up here that we know this is a straight angle or 180 degrees. So we are going to use this as our known and help us to discover what our unknown angle is. We also have angle UTX up here, and we know that angle UTX they're going to give us is an angle measurement of 150 degrees. So we are going to use that to help us discover our unknown angle of angle STU. So this one is our unknown, and we are going to use the same idea of taking 180 degrees of our straight angle, subtracting what we do know of the 150 degrees to see that our unknown angle of STU is going to be 30 degrees. So we're going to label that with our 30 degrees. So today your assignment is going to be to complete pages 218 for your angle additives, and you also have math boxes on 219. When you're finished with these 2 pages, you are going to upload it into Google Classroom. There are directions posted for how to do that. Your teachers will grade and help support you with that. And then you can also complete Home Link 6.11. Good luck.